Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You have Instagram open and the profile loaded. Start by scanning the visible contact area. Tap the contact or email button first because business profiles often expose phone fields. If you see only a bio, swipe through links and highlights for a phone mention. Make sure to check the three-dot menu for About or Public Business Info, since Instagram sometimes stores contact fields there. Once you find any contact entry, pause before copying and confirm. It looks like a phone number format. Once the profile scan yields nothing obvious, switch gears to deeper checks. Open the profile on a browser and click any linked Facebook page, because owners often list phone numbers there. Search captions, story highlights, and about sections for digits formatted as phone numbers. If the number remains absent, compose a short, polite direct message asking for a contact number and explaining why you need it. Clarity increases response rate. Make sure to include your purpose and an opt-out line to respect privacy. After you obtain a number, immediately save it to your contacts and verify by sending a brief SMS or placing a call. Verification confirms accuracy and prevents mistakes. Make sure you have explicit consent before using the number for marketing or sharing. Privacy matters. If you can't find a number at all, send a courteous direct message asking for preferred contact methods and allow 24 to 48 hours for a reply. Troubleshooting tip: if no reply, respect boundaries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.